All right, guys. Now we're gonna get into Saturn and a couple of things you could do with Saturn. So I'm going to what I'm gonna do is I've already made an 808 type sound. It's just a sine wave. There's no processing. It's just a sine wave. So it sounds like pretty straightforward. But we're gonna make it a little bit more unique and a little bit more grimy using Saturn. So if you don't know about Saturn, we're not gonna go too in depth with like where everything is and how to use it. But in this video, I'm gonna show you a way to make this 808 sound like a couple of different ways. So we're gonna make a band. We're gonna check out the spectrum right here. So I think we could keep it right there. And we might adjust this a little bit later. This is basically the cutoff point to where our distortion starts to begin. So right here, I'm gonna jump to let's try a couple of these, and we can turn up the drive. We can turn it up pretty high. Let's see, and we'll try this one. So if you did like you could do like a hard style type kick with this one. So we can adjust the bands up here, bump up those dynamics a little bit. Let's try a couple of different amps. But you see, if we try to distort this whole thing, it kind of loses the 808 quality, right? So we're gonna like keep it right where the point where we probably would be just low passing all this frequency information just to make room for our sub or the rest of the elements in our song. So now we can like turn this into like some crazy distorted sub. And different distortion units will have different cutoff points to where it sounds the best. You know, we have this up here. It's not a whole lot for it to distort, but we come down here. Could try a couple of different ones of these. I like the heavy distortion one the best, I think. Or no, it was the screaming amp. So we can modulate this too. So we can go right down here. We can go new LFO. And we'll just go right to that drive knob. Pretty cool. You can get some pretty cool results out of this thing. I really like using Saturn. I use it quite a bit. But then I promised you guys a preset that I really like to use. So I made this loop out of preset from the nuclear pack. So this is what the loop sounds like. Sounds pretty good. But watch when I apply this preset right here, the Faster Master preset. You find it in the mastering, and then you just jump down to Faster Master. Check this out. Watch. Just brings it to life. And this works on virtually anything. So it just gives it that extra little bit of life and brightness. It works. I mean, it works in like almost anything. Even even a bass too. If you like already like distorted your bass and you want to just make it a little bit brighter and bigger, that Faster Master preset is money. So, all right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.